Watu wapi makofi tafadhali, makofi. Hiyo ni gari ya kwanza inaondoka. Gari ya pili, gavana, gari ya pili kwake tiko bibia
tuwasili shoti
I'm happy to welcome you on this important occasion where we are launching the distribution of harsh avocado seedlings to our farmers for planting during this rainy season. The global level demand for avocado fruit has increased remarkably in recent years due to the growing consumer awareness of the potential health benefit of the fruit. Hence the need for us to take advantage given the conducive climate in the country. The area under avocado in KISII, which is dominated by the local variety, which is referred to as jumbo, is currently estimated at 1,564 acres, with an average production of 16.5 metric tons per hectare, annually translating to 25,800 tons. The county government of KISII has established an avocado factory to address the challenges. The fruit tree nursery here at ATC was established at a total cost of 7.5 million. It has been duly registered and certified by Kenya Planter Health Inspectorate, that is KISII. In this first production cycle, the fruit tree nursery had a capacity of 200,000 avocado seedlings. But moving forward, it is anticipated that the capacity will increase and accommodate banana plants, coffee seedlings, which is Roilu 11 variety, to support those respective value chains. And I want to repeat that what we are distributing now out of our nursery, it's 200,000 seedlings. We'll translate it into what we are expecting to plant in our farms and what we expected returns in terms of money. Looking forward to see if you can be able to pick, be it is 2,000, to your people. It will be a game changer in another 3 years. Those people will not come for the handouts. The monies accruing from the sale of the avocado seedlings will be used to create a revolving fund under the KISII County ATC, which will take up the fruit tree nurseries as one of their enterprise. This will limit reliance on the county treasury for sustainability. This initiative is therefore a flagship project for my administration and is aligned to the County Integrated Development Plan, CIDP, 2022 to 2027. And my investor, which identified and increased crop productivity as an avenue to increase value chain competitiveness and commercialization of key agricultural commodity in the county. I wish to say that this enterprise, if nurtured, will position the county as a major player in the avocado industry with enormous potential benefits to the producer given the growing market demand by both from traditional and emerging market. I therefore want to officially thank my team, which has put all their efforts. Avocado hii, Asha avocado, wakati nilikuwa mjumbe kule Dagoreti, iliweza kufikia wahisani wazuri wengine wadogo, na mimi nikatafuta pesa zangu nikanunua. Nilipeana KISII na Nyamira miche karibu 50,000. Wale ambao walikuwa serious walikuwa wanachukua, na sikuwa napeana nyingi, miche 10, 5. Wale ambao walichukua hii kuwa a serious business, yule ambaye nilipea miti 10 alienda akanua 300 seedlings. So Siku nyingine nimemuuliza, sio mimi hata nilimuuliza, tulikuwa hapa ATC, ananiambia governor, unajua ile miti ambayo tulipanda mimi round hii nimepokea $500,000 kwa kuuza moja. One cell $500,000. Hata ufanye nini, ni chai gani itapewa wewe $500,000? $15 times 135. That's close to 2,000. Avacado yamekoni bwana. Mimi Amerika nilienda kule, si kuenda kwa supermarket, lakini nimeenda kule Uchina, ndio nimeenda supermarket nyingi. Avacado 1 kg ambazo ni avocado 3. Now I want to be very practical. Na zote zinatoka Chile na zingine zinatoka Kenya, na Kenya nitawaambia mahali zinatoka. Na Kenya zinatoka Murang'a. Na nitapeana story. Is 300 shillings per kg. A factory ego siya magena ya. Bama kubeke chemical kia babuna ikira bono kubeke se chaiga kwara obuyo burabete ogogete mutinyo mugima wama yakonywera kumbe kende ngeo correct kiroro gatusaba nyasaye torego se abantu aba mbatwara amabiras nani abantu bakoibera n'abantu abataka tali bantu babwate kende abanyendi bakoibera na kitagiri kangalioka onde tayorate nene kokonya abantu baita bataka onye nto gotinna ntweka abanyene to make sure to ikonyire. A machine which I guess over around 120 million. Now in Tune County, to have, how much are we giving for the shade? We are giving 20 million for the shade as same machine yekoba. By amoti yogata anarimo, okonyora gaiga, we are processing oboyo na kregent which have more cover, and I want to make that promise because so far we are at the tail end of our engagement. On the Wednesday, we organize oboyo. Inchwe character to make that mabuta. Dijegali to make oboyo. Ogenda na oboyo chikosu make na osenemesi osengento kinka. Ntrikon. Tinda on the Wednesday, on the Wednesday, we go to avocado. Ntrikon mwana liboyo. Atoko mo oboyo bosa kurugali. Mo wanja boyo. Bono.
Aya, Simba oye! Avacado juu. Simba oye!
Avacado juu.
Simba oye!
Avacado